Imagine you are walking gently along a path in a woodland. It is a warm summer's day, and as you walk you can see the afternoon sunlight as it dances on the leaves and branches of the trees. You are warm and beginning to feel tired as you have been walking for some time. The path you tread is soft and gentle on your feet and winds along the edge of a small stream that runs through the wood. As you continue to walk along the path, you begin to notice how this gentle exercise has drained away all the tension from within the muscles of your body. And even though you are tired, you feel peaceful and content. The muscles in your legs feel supple and warm as you step forward on your journey. Your torso feels strong as you breathe in harmony with each step. Your shoulders and arms feel light and relaxed. Your head feels clear, like the crystal waters that run in the stream beside you. The clean air of the countryside has refreshed your whole body. You have relished the delights of Mother Nature. You continue on your path as you search for somewhere for rest. The dappled sunlight shines on the forest floor, and all you can hear is the sound of the stream and the song of the birds that surround you on your journey. You feel at one with Mother Earth and feel the connection to nature in its glorious harmony. As you continue on your journey, you begin to hear the sound of a distant waterfall, and soon it is there before you. You see a large overhanging tree branch, a few inches above the surface of the water at the edge of the stream, and you decide to sit here and bathe your feet in the cooling waters. Your back rests on the main trunk of the tree, and you are comfortable now, looking forward to your rest and time of contemplation. The waterfall is before you, gently falling into the pool below. You can smell the freshness of the air in this little sanctuary as the falling water energizes all in its vicinity. You close your eyes for a while and focus on the gentle sounds of the running water. They seem to cleanse and purify your mind and body as you rest, and you find nourishment in the tranquility and seclusion. Your mind now begins to drift as your awareness takes your imagination into the waterfall, where the water is cool and revitalizing as it flows over your warm, tired body. As the water purifies and cleanses your energy, you begin to connect to a magical oneness with the water as it flows over and around you. And then the water seems to change slowly into a river of light, flowing through each and every cell of your body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes. At first, the light is pink, the light of unconditional love. And as it cascades through your physical being, you can feel as it fills your heart with peace and harmony. Feel the warmth within your heart as the pink light ignites and rejuvenates the love and harmony that lies within you, as you become a beacon of peace and serenity, kind and generous to all, giving selflessly. You have the inner knowing that this love will return to you many times over to fill your heart with even greater strength and compassion. And now the river of light begins to change in colour from pink into golden yellow, like pure sunlight, filling your body with joy and positivity as your mind is now clear like the water around you. Your mind is still and knows that this golden yellow light can be the key that turns the lock to open the door to all the good that resides within your heart, to connect you to universal wisdom. The golden light can help to show you the way forward at this time, as it illuminates the choices that lie ahead for you. Embrace the golden light, as it now saturates your whole being. And now the light begins to change once again, gently, to sapphire blue, the blue of strength, the blue of protection, to cleanse and invigorate, filling you with the courage to move forward each day. Feel that blue light as it moves through and around you now. The pink and gold lights return and intertwine with the blue to energize the flame of love, wisdom and power that burns within your heart. Feel as your heart chakra now begins to open like a rose on a warm summer day. Feel as your chakra spins, strong but gentle. Feel the light within your heart as it now guides you on your journey of rest and rejuvenation, your journey with wisdom and peace, as you float and drift in the colours of pink, gold and blue, where you can connect to all the treasures you need to see at this time, and joy of your journey. You are now ready to return from your journey in light. Know that you can return to this sanctuary at any time you wish for guidance, strength, and love. To absorb these gifts, to replenish your energy for peace and healing. As you now prepare to go back to your place in the woodland, ready to open your eyes once again to see the delights of nature around you once more, as you now become aware of the gentle sounds of the stream and waterfall. You can feel the water flowing around your feet. You can feel the support of the tree around you. Feel its strength and stability as it grows each day in all weathers. Its roots run deep, far and wide into the earth. Imagine now the emerald green of the tree's foliage and see that colour within your mind. Feel it filling your head from the crown and continuing on down like the waterfall through your body, across your shoulders and into your arms and hands, into your torso, legs and feet. As you return to walk on your path, the emerald green light travelling still further into the earth like the tree roots. You feel straight and strong, grounded and balanced, aligned of mind, body and spirit. Ready now as your awareness begins to return to your body. You are refreshed and revitalized, relaxed and peaceful as I count now from 15 to 1. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Becoming aware now of the weight of your body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, beginning to move your fingers and your toes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just opening your eyes in your own time.